Now, by nature, some of those companies might be very boring.
Well, yeah, that's terrific. That's great. Companies that are boring are wonderful for me. I've done well with companies like Dunkin' Donuts. Well, companies like that, they're very easy to understand. No one's going to invent a better donut somewhere at MIT. You don't have to worry about Korean imports.
How do you analyze a Dunkin' Donuts company?
Well, there's a company that upgraded their stores. It spent a lot of time on the quality of their product. They really spent a lot of time to have a china cup. Their cup was worth over $1 instead of just having a piece of paper or a plastic cup. They said, we want to deliver something very good to the consumer. They really worked on the quality of their coffee. Every 15 minutes they'd throw it away, and they'd cook it within 3 degrees of the right temperature. They really cared about all that.
Did you find that in an annual report?
No, you had to go visit them and talk to them. But you could find it out. You'd say, this is something that really makes sense. And the nice thing about it is, if somebody comes up with a good donut system, and they really have a great concept, it's in the state of Washington, it's not going to affect Dunkin' Donuts if they're located in Virginia, if they're located in Massachusetts.
Now, how did you stumble on legs?
This is a product my wife said worked very good. And at that point in time, I did a little bit of research, and I found out the average woman goes to the supermarket about twice a week. And all the hosiery being sold in the supermarkets was just junk. So here was a company that made a good product, put it into the supermarkets, put it into the drugstores, made it readily available. It was an incredible success. It was the most successful product of the 1970s after Pampers. But Pampers was part of a very big company called Procter & Gamble. This is part of a relatively small company called Hanes. So the stock was a huge success. It was eventually bought out by Consolidated Foods, a company who's now called Sara Lee. If it wasn't bought out, I think it would have been a 100-bagger instead of just a 10-bagger. It was a big success.